In today's video, I will teach you how to generate miniature people using AI. Let's get started. Miniature photography creates a magical, toy-like world where real-life scenes are created in small scale. With AI tools, you no longer need physical models or props to achieve this look. And to do this, open your browser and access Photo Room. And on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click the AI tools to open the full suite of AI-powered features. Inside the AI tools page, scroll down to the section labeled Create Images with AI. Then click See All to browse the complete list of creative tools. And find and select Miniature People. And you'll now see a prompt box where you can type a description of the image that you want to generate. And make sure to be very specific to help the AI understand what you want. And if you're unsure, you can click on the inspirations provided on the page to use or modify them. Now click on the size setting button and choose your desired format from the presets. 1x1 square, 3x4 portrait, 9x16 portrait, which is great for TikTok or Instagram stories, 4x3 landscape, or 16x9 landscape, which is perfect for YouTube or desktop wallpapers. Now click on the style settings. Then choose one of the 4 creative visual styles. Realistic photography for lifelike mini people, cute 3D illustration which is toy-like and charming, toys photography which is like real-life action figures which has a cartoon or sketchbook feel. Once your text prompt, size, and style are set, you can click the Generate button, and Photo Room will create 4 image variations in about 10 to 15 seconds. Now click on any image to preview it in a larger view. On the image preview page, you can remove the background, retouch the image, generate 4 more versions based on the selected image, click Change Something to rewrite part of the prompt or tweak the output, or resize or edit image layers. You can click the Change Something if you like the image but want to adjust small details like the setting, colors, or props. And once you're satisfied with the generated image, you can click Use this image, and you will be taken to Photo Room's editor where you can add studio lights, apply additional effects, and add stickers or background scenes. And once you're happy with your final edit, click the download button at the top right and save your image to your computer or share it directly to your social media platforms. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.